Me not disconnect, you know, brother. Hear me I tell you, run people out of our place.
Well, you know, Ross run me today, cause me run my life.
That is, so run your life out of me yard, no man. I'm tell you. I'm
Me
tell
never
you,
hear
send
yard
the
and me dey
invite,
for
you
my
know, run
life.
your life out
Stop
of
say
our
run my
yard,
life
brother.
out of your yard, cause me not in nobody yard. Me not my
You're
yard,
there in
man, my
our
life.
yard, you're there in our yard, and you send the invite. We accept. You knock
Well,
on the
I'm not
door. We
moving.
open the door.
You
You knock on
exalt
the door, we
yourself
open
off
the
of my
door.
life.
Alright, make us see who bad. Make us see who bad.
We are gonna see.
We are gonna see.
Yes, man, we are gonna see, cause I'm not
We
Xing
gonna
off
see. We don't
nothing.
have sight. We don't have sight.
You need Gorilla Glue for them. Yeah, alright.
We gorilla glue for you before, eh? Come out of my house. That's what you do. Come out of our house. Fool. Come send invite and I come and give a tough chat. I lick what for licking in your face, you know. But you know I'm police for fuck with the youth.
So since as a big bad and bold pussy, run the match. Accept the match, Mr. Big Bad and Bold. You're
Pussy, me say me
afraid.
not run no more
You're
match with you.
afraid.
Come
You're
out of
afraid.
our place. Come
You're
out of our
afraid.
yard. We not run no more match with you.
You're afraid.
Eh?
Then disconnect then, yes, you useless over here, disconnect.
So disconnect and go on then now. Eh? Disconnect and go on. Disconnect and go on. Pussy. Bad man disconnect life. Pussy. Know that, yeah? A code of badness that. Yeah, me I tell you? That me I tell you. So nobody come expect me if you disconnect nothing right now. Bad man not disconnect life. That me I tell you. Yeah, me I tell you?
Okay. I can actually stay here until daylight. So you need to disconnect and leave my place. Thank you.
You can stay yes till daylight. You need to disconnect. And move your bumper clock. That's you have to do. You know, some time that you fuck if you're a little youth. I'm a big man for you. I feel like someone for make the bigger move, like just disconnecting. Because you're a little boy, me a war. A little boy, me a war, you know.
So Tavii, now that you have to do, now that you have to do long time.
Yeah, man,
I would
more
be
you
so
know
happy
say
if
you're a
you
little boy.
disconnect
You're a
right
little
now.
boy, you know.
I would be so happy if you disconnect.
Me would have happy if me
You're a big
disconnect.
man for me and think.
Me
You're a
would
big
have
man
happy
for
if
me and
me
Axo.
disconnect.
You're a big man for me and Axo.
You don't think more that happy if me disconnect?
Disconnect.
Yeah, cause me know me I got happier than how you the happy fool.
Ross, man, disconnect and go on now.
Yo, move. You bumbo clot, I'm to you. I'm to you. Don't go like you want to run me, you know. That me I tell you, you know, you. That me I tell you, yeah?
Are you going to disconnect or are you going to stay here and chat and bark for the whole
And
night?
you send invite.
Are you going to disconnect or are you going to stay here and bark for the whole night?
Invite, eh? And you send invite.
If you're going to stay play a match, if you're not going to play a match, disconnect from the Ross side.
Gone, yo, you're a little boy for me. A little boy. Move your bumbo clock. Go ahead. Move. Me a disconnect. Me a disconnect now. Cause me a bad man.
Boy, you
Me a
can't chat.
bad man.
You
Bad man disconnect.
Tell me say you go disconnect. So disconnect
Bad
now.
man that do chattings.
Boy, you can't chat.
Disconnect.
You come like a chat for your
Me a
living.
disconnect. Bad man that do chattings. Me a
Them pay you for
disconnect.
chat.
Yeah, me I tell you. Me a disconnect.
Them
Bad
pay
man that do chattings.
Ross.
Brother. Bro, anytime I run match with Hussle, lag. Yo. Anytime I run match with Hussle, bro, man, I tell you, bro. I just why? I just loan why?